These speakers sound like shit. The kid did something to them. Green Lantern. Open up, fix speaker system. Green Lantern fix tweeter system. Fix tweeter system, Green Lantern. Open up. This system's awesome. It costs a pretty penny. It's like expensive. This is one expensive bass. It's got the bass right here. And it's major. And let's see how it sounds. It's just been hurting my ears lately. This is a live.
A house or a laptop?
And it's still hurting my ears.
Well, definitely not the house.
I'll show you how to fix it. Cheve te serai seve cheve give pouvu sugu shasang sasong grab device take out.
Digital real estate on my laptop. And digital real estate costs nearly nothing.
Dragon, put that in glass jar. Berta, bring back.
And I'm surprised, frankly, that nobody else is talking about.
Now it's sounding a little bit of normal.
Just skip this video.
It's just hurting the ears. You can tell this. And this is how they're supposed to sound. Before, they sounded like shit.
This is rock phenomenon. You know what I'm saying? The clash between both worlds, rock and hip hop. You don't like press fast forward.
That's badass. You can turn it up in some more. Put it on heavy bass.
Phenomenon.
Notorious Badass jumps on. Turn it up. Turn it up right there. Turn it a little down.
You gotta search within you. Try to find that inner strength and just pull that shit out of you. And get that motivation to not give up and not be a quitter. No matter how bad you wanna just fall flat on your face and collapse. Till I collapse, I'm spilling these facts. Long as you feel them to the day that I drop. You'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just till I collapse, I'm spilling these facts. Long as you feel them to the day that I drop. You'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not dimming them. Subliminal thoughts, when I'ma stop spinning them. Women, I'm pouring you wet, spinning them. Walk in them, and twiddling sides. I put it so it could not.
Flicker, ticker, liquor, change color, 764 stereo. Relax. I gotta turn it down before I get a noise complaint, but that is badass. And that's how you fix a speaker that don't open. And this subwoofer, it has like a hole right here to breathe air. It's fucking sick.